everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today what I want to do is review the NYX Glitter Goals liquid eyeshadows for you. So I have these two shades that I'm going to be kind of playing around with, and I am going to be comparing them to the Wet n Wild liquid catsuits that I have. So if you'd like to see how I apply them, if you'd like to know how they wear, how much they are, how they compare to each other, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I do have this in two colors, are these two colors right here. One is like a gray sparkly one, and the other one is like a like more so of like a very faint rose gold type of thing. So I want to layer them together. How I apply these is with a flat little brush like this, anything that you would use to pack on color on your eyelid or any glitters or anything like that. You can go ahead and use the little applicator that's in here, but I feel like you just get way more precision with something that's flat and defined like this. I'm gonna go and apply this. First, I'm gonna go in with We Out. I'm gonna do it on the whole lid, and I kind of have created a space where I want this to go. So I'm kind of doing almost like a cut crease with this glitter. I go right up to the crease here and then like bring it down, kind of right where that dark shadow starts, and I'm gonna go and do that on the other eye as well. Might as well. And then I'm picking up the polished pinup, which is this nice and really light tone, like rose goldy type of thing, and I'm gonna go right on top here and just kind of mesh those two together. And meshing these two together really creates this nice and foiled effect, which I really like. And I think it just combining these two adds a little bit more dimension to the glitters. So you can still see like the sparkle, like the gray silver sparkle underneath, but you can also see that like the warmth from the polished pinup color, which is really beautiful. So I'm going to let that sit and set on my eyes and kind of dry down. I don't want to really mess with it until it's really nice and dry and set in its place. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch them on my arm and kind of show you the differences and similarities between these two formulas. Okay, so I'm going to start with the NYX colors. So I'm going to go in with We Out, and I'm just going to put this right here. And right next to it, I'm going to be putting the Wet n Wild Cashmere Love. So it's a little hard to see, but as you can see, Cashmere Love is a little bit more on the brownie side, while the We Out is a little more gray, but you can see that the formulas are almost identical. They're nice and very finely milled. There's not any chunky glitter coming off, which is really nice. Now I'm going to go and put polished pinup right here. This almost has like a slightly, like almost like a green shift to it. Some of the glitters are nice and like almost a green tone. And right next to it, I'm going to put the Shells and Whistles. I lied, those are pretty different. So this is way more yellow tone, and this is way more like bronzy toned. But the Shells and Whistles is the most finely milled, and it just looks like the perfect like cream color. I don't even know how to get this color. It's almost like a pigment, like a metallic pigment, no glitter whatsoever. That's just mixed in with like a cream. It just looks really nice. Okay, so now that these are dry on my eyes, I'm going to go and take a little small like blender brush and kind of blend around the edges. I want this to be nice and seamless and kind of make it look like this just kind of blends right into this eyeshadow. And now I need to apply some mascara to stop looking like I am crazy. I need to change my lip color because this is hideous. So I kind of want to review the NYX. I think that the colors are beautiful. I think that the price is good. I think that it has very little fallout. It lasts all night. I didn't notice this like crumbling off my eyes. It's readily available wherever you go, wherever you shop for NYX products, which is really great. NYX is also cruelty free, which is a huge thumbs up. I do like the packaging. It's really nice and sleek and little, so I can fit a lot of these in my drawers. Now, like obviously weight wise, they're very comparable to other brands. I overall think that these are really beautiful, and they look really beautiful on the eyes. They're easy to kind of blend out. They don't look stark, they don't look chunky, they don't, like, everything about this product is beautiful. But I can compare this to the liquid Catsuit wise. Net weight is the same, price is, Wet n Wild is $4.99, NYX is $7.99, so like price-wise, NYX is obviously a little bit more expensive just because NYX tends to be a little more expensive than Wet n Wild. If you are looking to save a couple dollars per little tube and you want to buy a lot of them, Wet n Wild could definitely be your choice. I like both products a lot. I think that they're both really beautiful. I think that they both wear a really, really long time. I always get a lot of compliments on my makeup when I wear either or. I wore this for New Year's. It didn't crack, it didn't crumble, it didn't kind of go all over my face. Everything stayed on really, really nice and beautifully, and I am a very, very big fan, and I will definitely be purchasing a lot more of these and wearing them all the time. I definitely recommend them. They were extremely sold out at the Ulta that I was at when I went to buy a couple. I literally had such a hard time finding things that were unwrapped and have never been touched by people, and there was like 5 of those. And their shade range, I want to say at that specific Ulta, they had like maybe 7 or 8 shades, and literally I found like 2 that were unopened. So these are flying off the shelf. They're an amazing product. Go and glow, girl, with these glitters. You're not gonna regret it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps. I hope that, you know, you start looking like you're amazing. Happy New Year, by the way, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.